March 7th, 1965. A bloody Sunday for America's civil rights movement in Selma, Alabama. That's where state troopers and a sheriff's posse attack civil rights marchers pushing to register black voters. The violence leads to two more high-profile marches and later the passage of the Voting Rights Act. 1936. Nazi Germany's dictator Adolf Hitler sends troops into his country's demilitarized Rhineland region. The move violates the treaty ending World War I and brings Europe a step closer to a Second World War just years later. And 1999.
I know that you and Frank were planning to disconnect me, and I'm afraid that's something I cannot allow to happen.
Movie director Stanley Kubrick, whose films include 2001, A Clockwork Orange, and Full Metal Jacket, dies at age 70. The year before his death, he told the Associated Press that despite the heartache, there's nothing like making movies.
Although it can be like trying to write War and Peace in a bumper car in an amusement park, when you finally get it right, there are not many joys in life that can equal the feeling.
Today in History, March 7th. Sandy Kozel, The Associated Press.